Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs on a pan. To start, you'll need a wide pan, fresh eggs, and a little white vinegar. Fill your pan with about 2 to 3 inches of water. Then, add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set nicely. Get everything ready before you begin cooking for the best results. Next, bring your water to a gentle simmer. You want small bubbles, not a vigorous boil, to keep the eggs intact. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl. This makes it easier to gently slide them into the simmering water, preventing them from breaking apart. Cook 1 or 2 eggs at a time to avoid overcrowding the pan. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough, they even have a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook your eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by another minute. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Gently drain any excess water before placing them on your favorite toast or avocado for a delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.